In the heart of the Mushroom Kingdom, a breathtaking day unfolded as the sun cast a warm golden hue over the landscape. Fluffy, puff-shaped clouds drifted lazily across the azure sky, and the air was fragrant with the scent of fresh grass and the faint aroma of hidden power blocks. Mario, donned in his iconic red overalls, was meticulously trimming a hedge outside his cozy home with Luigi, his younger brother. He was shaping the greenery into a perfect superstar, his hands deftly snipping away, while the sounds of chirping birds filled the air. Inside, Luigi was busily preparing a picnic basket, his nervous energy evident as he double-checked the contents. Super mushroom sandwiches, crafted with care, lay nestled among vibrant fruit. "Luigi," Mario called out, his voice cheerful and raspy. "The princess is expecting us for lunch at the castle. We must not be late." "Coming, Mario," Luigi squeaked, his heart racing as he stumbled over his own feet, clutching the wicker basket in his gloved hands. The aroma of freshly baked bread wafted from the basket, but his nerves made him feel as if he might drop it at any moment. Just as they prepared to leave, a familiar sound shattered their peaceful day. Airships roared overhead, accompanied by the manic laughter of Koopas. Mario and Luigi looked up to see not one, but 7 massive airships, each painted in vibrant hues, flying ominously toward Princess Peach's castle. "Mario," Luigi stammered, pointing a trembling finger at the looming threat above. Before Mario could respond, a dazzling multicolored beam shot down from the lead airship, enveloping the castle in a blinding light. When it faded, the castle, a place of warmth and laughter, had been replaced by a simple, gray, pixelated monolith, leaving only echoes of its former glory. "Oh no!" they cried in unison, their hearts sinking as they took in the bleak sight before them. The vibrant life of the Mushroom Kingdom was fading fast. The grass had turned a dull gray, the sky blank and lifeless, and once red mushrooms now looked like sorrowful stone toadstools. "But without color, how do we know which mushrooms make us big?" Luigi asked, his voice small and filled with despair. "We'll have to guess, brother," Mario replied, his determination igniting like a one-up mushroom. "For the princess and for the Mushroom Kingdom, let's-a go." Their quest took them through a desaturated world, a landscape stripped of joy. They battled through challenges and trials, each one more daunting than the last. In a fiery volcano, they defeated Larry Koopa to reclaim the red crystal, restoring the fiery hues of fire flowers and Mario's cap. They plunged into the depths of Cheep Cheep Lagoon, where they rescued the blue crystal from Ludwig von Koopa, bringing back the brilliant azure of the waters. The thrill of victory bloomed within them with each crystal they recovered. One by one, they confronted Bowser's minions. Wendy O. Koopa was defeated in a neon-soaked disco dungeon for the purple crystal, while Iggy Koopa was outmaneuvered in a twisted grayscale hedge maze for the green crystal. With every triumph, a piece of the Mushroom Kingdom's soul returned, slowly washing away the pall of despair. Finally, only the white crystal remained, held captive by Bowser himself in his newly constructed fortress, the Chroma Keep. The final castle was a dizzying paradox, a chaotic mix of restored color and lingering gray. The air crackled with tension as Mario and Luigi prepared for the ultimate showdown. In the epic battle that ensued, Bowser, now empowered by the remaining crystal's radiance, unleashed blinding flashes of light, threatening to erase Mario's vision completely. But with their hearts synchronized, Mario and Luigi combined the powers of the colors they had reclaimed. A red fireball, a blue shell, a green vine whip, they struck back, creating a glorious rainbow of counterattacks. "Now, Luigi," Mario yelled, his voice cutting through the chaos. With a newfound courage, Luigi vaulted off his brother's back, making a desperate leap to snatch the white crystal right from Bowser's neck. As the Koopa King roared in defeat, the locket shattered, unleashing a wave of pure, brilliant light that washed over the fortress and spread through the entire Mushroom Kingdom. In an instant, every color returned, vibrant and more beautiful than ever before. The gray monolith that had replaced Peach's castle melted away, revealing the magnificent, full-color structure, glowing with life and laughter once again. Standing triumphantly on the drawbridge was Princess Peach, unharmed and smiling, her joy lighting up the scene. "Mario, Luigi, you did it!" she exclaimed, her eyes shimmering like the brightest star. "You saved the kingdom's color." Bowser, now small and deflated, grumbled as he was carried away by a group of toads. "It was a great aesthetic plan. You just have no appreciation for minimalist design." That evening, they finally held the postponed picnic in the castle gardens. The grass a lush green, the flowers bursting with hues, and the sky a deep, perfect blue. Mario took a big bite of a clearly red and white super mushroom sandwich, savoring the moment. "You know, Luigi," he said with a satisfied smile, surveying the technicolor world around them, "some things are just worth fighting for." Luigi finally relaxed, nodded and raised a glass of sparkling starberry juice, to never taking the little things for granted. As the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in brilliant oranges and pinks, everyone agreed it was the most beautiful sight they had ever seen.